Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can activate or deactivate video image stabilization. So first of all, you have to turn on one of the video mode. For example, let's turn the loop record. Next, open the settings and go for the image stabilization. Right here we can turn it on or turn it off, and when you make it and go back for this normal screen, you will find this icon. It means that the image stabilization is turned on. When you turn it off, it will disappear. Take a look. As you can see right now, it's not visible anymore. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.